Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can disable or enable your Windows Defender in Windows 11 on your laptop or PC. So what you have to do, you just need to follow my steps, and after following my steps, you will be able to do that. So as you can see, what you have to do, you have to press the window button, and after pressing the window button, you have to write the Windows Defender here. So I'm going to write the Windows Defender. So in this way, you have to write the Windows Defender. I'm going to write that. So now we have to click on this. After clicking on this, now we have to close this. You can apply the second method. So what you have to do, you have to click on this option and you will see the option like this. So now we are going to click on this. After clicking on this, you will see the option, this one, the first one. I'm going to make the screen bigger. So after clicking on this, you will see the option, this one. Now we have to click on this. After clicking on this, you have to scroll it down. You will see the option like the manage setting. You have to click on this option, and as you can see, this is on. If you want to make it off, you have to click on this, and now you have to press the yes. Now it's off. If you want to make it on, you have to click on this and it will be on. If you want to make it off, you have to again click on the off. It is off. So if you want to control anything else, or if you want to disable or enable anything else, all things are provided. You just have to all make them off. And account protection and firewall network and all the things are provided here. If you want to make any kind of changes in them, you can also do that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can disable or enable Windows Defender. So see you guys in the next video.